Hi, welcome to this lecture. Here I am going to explain you like do while loop. Earlier session we have discussed about very simply and very clearly like a while loop statement. Here it's a very simple like a do while. And also you will be known like the difference between while and do while. So let's begin the session. See here the earlier program is also here, it is displaying very simply as the initial value of I is 0. While we are going to be verifying the condition. In do while, how it would be means, like see here, first we will be verifying the initial value of, first we will go with the execution. I'll write do and open and end braces. Yeah, open and end braces. In between, what will happens the statement will be going to be executed. This would be here. Alright, and later will be verified by while. Here it will be. Yeah, how it is, and you will be seen like a terminator. So the do while, that's it. What it happens, I'll check and I'll test it and I'll explain you. I'm running the program. So the same output we are seeing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 while loop is terminated. So what happened here? What is the difference between these two? Like here you will observe in a while loop on initial stage it is going to be verifying the condition, then only it will be entering into the program. In do while it will without verification of a condition it will be enter into the default as in a first line it will print into the statement, then it will be verify the condition. That's it. So simple and very easy. So based on your convenient requirement, which loop statement you want to execute, you can execute. If I am increasing this number into 10 to some value of 10 and initial value from 1, like see, save, run, you will get 10 from 1 as an initial value and till 9 you will get. If you want to get 10, you change it. That's it. So pretty, so easy, so easy. And if you want to prepare like a matrix, tables of numbers, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and all you can prepare over here as in a console.write line. Very simple and very easy. Try yourself. We'll sit on next lecture. Thank you.